four-door truck is hammered with overspray. I'm gonna do it with my clay bar. I don't have to shave it because it's not a protective coating or anything like that, so the clay bar will work good. Got my wax on here. Clean through the wax. You got to be careful with the Fords. It's made out of aluminum, so you can't really, press too hard. Be careful.
Voiceover on.
Oh, now, bitch.
0 of 6 values. Enter passcode.
Oh, God. It's a love-hate relationship with these iPhones. They're way overpriced, but it's an awesome tool.
Yes, it is.
If you wasn't here, I could take a video of your vehicle and send it to you just to let you know exactly what's going on. Technology, baby. It's awesome.
Oh man, it blows my mind. I didn't know what to expect. You hear clay bar and
You're like, clay bar?
Clay
What the
bar.
hell?
I was like-
What the hell is he going to come up with doing with some clay, man? I know. Wipe this off and should be looking good. No compounds, no solvents, a clay bar, some really good polish for a Rubus buffer, some soap and water, in about 2.5 man-hours. All right, that's good. Look at that wood. All right, do this here door. I always do the lowers last. That's where your shit is. Okay, mail lady. That's the 4th time she's drove by. What the fuck, man? You messing up my movie, lady. all it takes. Just a quick go over. Oh yeah, another job well done. Okay, that is the finished product. This here truck has been fully removed of overspray, 100%. All the chrome's been polished. No bug guts on it or nothing. Look at that hood. Clay barred it, used my Rubus on it. It's looking good. All the doors, everything is perfection on this truck. It really looks good. All the door handles are done. The mirrors have been repaired. There's no overspray on those. The trim. The glass, of course. But look at that paint. This is a nice, nice color for this Ford. Repaired it on site. That's what we do. Look at that. All the decals are intact. Nothing's peeled up and the overspray has been removed from it. Tail lights, of course, have been polished. Look at that paint. That's a good looking truck. It really is. Paint looks awesome. I don't charge any extra to polish a vehicle after I've removed the overspray. That's part of our cleaning process. There's no extra charge for that. We are one of the few, if any, companies that actually uses machinery to polish vehicles after we've removed the overspray. No one restores your paint finish, does any kind of paint corrections. Not like this. You're not going to get that. No one's going to use the expensive machinery, the expensive materials, none of that. But when you do, that's what you get. Look at that. That damn thing looks sweet. Paint Overspray Removal of Texas, a division of National Overspray Removal. On-site service is demonstrated in this video. Come to your house to repair your vehicle for overspray removal.